Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Deep and Snowy Wood by Elwyn Tate. In the deep and snowy wood there was a cold wind blow. One deer runs, leaving tracks in the snow. Look at her go, says a big black crow. But where is she going? The crow doesn't know. This is actually a rhyming book. In the deep and snowy wood, where the tree, not this one, but where the tree lies flat, one squirrel hops past a badger and a bat. Not entirely. This book is rhyming with some of it. Look at him hop, says the fox in the hat. But where is he hopping? Asked the little brown rat. In the deep and snowy wood, where the hills dip and roll, one mole digs an underground hole. That one rhymed. He digs past a vole and a duck on a stroll. But where will he dig? In his underground hole. Run, run, run. Dig, dig, dig. Hop, hop, hop. Where will they stop? A deer, a squirrel, and a mole in the snow. Why are they waiting? What do they know? In the deep and snowy wood, so far, far away, from over the hills. Look, here's the northern lights. From over the hills comes the sound of a sleigh. Jingle, 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 jingle. The animals cheer. Hooray, hooray! And now everyone knows. Whoosh! It's Christmas Day! Merry Christmas! I hope you enjoy this book, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!